everyone. I am Karong Lydia and he is Karong Van Arkom. He is 5 years old and currently studying in LKZ at Heritage Convent in Fall, Manipur. He could not attend his class for the past 7 months due to COVID-19 pandemic, but during this period of lockdown, he stayed at home and learned his textbook. In addition to his subject, he took a very great interest in learning general knowledge. This video is uploaded on the internet so that this little kid today might like to see his recording one day when he grow up, and I hope you will support him. Hello, Van R.
Hello.
Now, I'm going to ask you 100 questions on GK. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Question number 1. How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
What are the 7 names of days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
How many months are there in a year?
There are 12 months in a year.
What are the 12 names of months?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, and December.
How many districts are there in Manipur?
There are 16 districts in Manipur.
What are the 16 districts of Manipur?
Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal, Kagching, Dishimphur, Jirbom, Kampong, Senapati, Ukhrul, Kamchong, Temple, Chandel, Surjanpur, Federal, Loni, and Tamenglong.
What is the capital of Manipur?
Imphal.
The peoples of Manipur are called?
Manipuris.
Where is Loktak Lake?
At Moirang.
What is the deer found only in Manipur?
Shanghai.
Very good. What is the flower found in Ukhrul district of Manipur?
Shroy Lily.
What is the cave found in Tamenglong district of Manipur?
Tharon Cave.
What is the longest river in Manipur?
Barak River.
Which mountain is the highest in Manipur?
Mount Tempu.
What is the capital of Mizoram?
Aizawl.
What is the capital of Nagaland?
Kohima.
What is the capital of Assam?
Guwahati.
What is the capital of Tripura?
Agartala.
What is the capital of Meghalaya?
Shillong.
Very good. And we have question number 20. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh?
Itanagar.
The peoples of Mizoram are called?
Mijos.
The peoples of Nagaland are called?
Nagas.
The people of Assam are called?
Assamese.
Where is the rainiest place in the world?
Mount Shinram.
Where is the national park in Assam?
Kaziranga.
Where is the oil refinery in Assam?
Digboy.
Very good. What is the largest and longest river in Assam?
Brahmaputra River.
How many states are there in India?
There are 29 in India.
What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
When did India get independence?
August 1947.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first President of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
Who composed Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chatterjee.
Who composed Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Very good. Where is the Taj Mahal?
At Agra.
Who is our father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Who was known as the Missile Man of India?
Dr. Abdul Kalam.
The peoples of India are called?
Indians.
What is the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
So far, we have reached question number 44. What is the capital of Bhutan?
Thimphu.
What is the capital of Maldives? What is the capital of Maldives?
Malay,
What is the capital of Nepal?
Kathmandu,
What is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad,
What is the capital of Sri Lanka?
Colombo,
What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok,
What is the capital of Vietnam?
Hanoi,
What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo,
What is the capital of China?
Beijing,
The peoples of Japan are called.
Japanese,
The people of China are called.
Chinese,
The peoples of Thailand are called.
Thai,
Very good. The peoples of Korea are called.
Koreans,
In which country white elephants are found?
Thailand,
What is the rare animal found in China?
Panda,
Who is the president of China?
Xi Jinping,
Very good. Question number 60. Which country in Asia has the most volcanoes?
Indonesia,
Which country in Asia has the second most earthquakes?
Japan,
What is the full form of UNO?
United Nations Organization,
Very good. What is the capital of America? What is the capital of America?
Washington DC,
Who is the president of America?
Joe Biden,
What is the capital of Finland?
Helsinki,
What is the capital of England?
London,
Question number 67. What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa,
What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow,
What is the capital of Brazil?
Brasilia,
What is the capital of France?
Paris,
What is the capital of Switzerland?
Bern,
What is the animal that you can find only in Australia?
Kangaroo,
What is the largest river in the world?
Amazon River,
What is the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest,
Where is the coldest place on earth?
Omiakondrasa,
Where is the hottest place in the world?
Dead Valley, California,
Who invented electric bulb?
Thomas Edison,
Who invented radio?
Jim Marconi,
Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell,
Who invented aeroplane?
Wright brothers,
Who invented TV?
Philo-Theodore Fenshaw,
Who invented prototype camera?
Oscar Barnett,
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage,
Who invented mobile phone?
Martin Cooper,
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong,
What is the red liquid that comes out of a volcano?
lava,
What is the instrument used to measure earthquakes?
seismograph,
Who discovered the solar system?
Galileo.
How many planets are there in the solar system?
There are 8 planets in the solar system.
What are the 8 planets?
Mercury, Venus, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
So far we have reached question number 91. What is the hottest planet?
Venus,
What is the coldest planet?
Neptune,
What are the 4 oceans of the world?
Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
How many continents are there?
There are 10 continents.
Where was Lord Buddha born?
Lumbini, Nepal,
Who was killed by David?
Goliath,
Who is the mother of Jesus Christ?
Mary,
Where was Jesus born?
Bethlehem,
Who is the first COM IPS officer?
Pu Al Kailun,
Who, and last, the 100th question. Who is the first COM IAS officer?
Pu Nailan Thang Telen,
Wow, that was amazing. Answering me 100 questions at such a young age isn't easy at all. Well done, Van R. Thank you so much, and may God bless you, and wishing you a very bright future and to grow into a good man. Once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I would also like to thank ComTV Delhi for giving us their kind support and loving us. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, comment. Thank you once again.